Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Air Max 95 SE Worldwide Edition. Before we get into our review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Throw some likes, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown to us. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Air Max 95 SE, and unfortunately we bought these from ASOS, so they like to slap their label on top of the Nike label, so I can't tell you the official colorway, but this comes in a black. That's what it says on the ASOS label, but we got a sizing for you. So it's a UK size 7.5, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European for you too. Let's take a look. There it is. Very nice actually. Very nice retro feel with that, but we'll get into that soon. So this is part of Nike's Worldwide pack that came out not too long ago. Unfortunately, there's a better Air Max 95 on the way, and it's the Air Max 95 OG Neon Green. But we thought we'd take a look at these just to spice things up a little, if we are able to get a pair of Air Max 95s, because I know people are camping out for those at the time of this recording of this video. Let's start with the outsole of these. So you've got the typical Air Max 95 outsole, rubber, and you've got the waffle print in the forefoot, and at the back you have the shank. So on the right foot you've got Worldwide, and on the left it's a bunch of Nike swooshes. Moving along to the midsole, classic, you know, this is what the 95 is famous for. It's that air unit at the back, air chambers at the front. It's for that comfort. We have done an Air Max 95 review in the past, we've done safaris, check that out, same specs as that. But this has a really nice unique design. This being the Worldwide pack, you can see a bunch of the cities that are mentioned. It's all here on the leather overlays. It's all printed. So you've got Rio de Janeiro, St. Louis, Beijing. I can't tell any over here. But we've got Stockholm, Mexico City, LA. This is endless. So it's a nice touch. It goes well, and you got the hits of neon green and a night highlighter pink. That's just at the back there. The tab with the Nike Worldwide logo going along into the toe box area. So you got the suede overlays that make up the front, and you got textile overlays just underneath. So forgive me, it's the textile underlays. And you got the 95 lace enclosure. This was made for running, it's for that lockdown support. At the tongue, you got the Nike Worldwide logo. This is a really nice touch. It's very retro looking, 90s nostalgic. And it comes with a pin that's right here inside. Just want to show the laces that it comes in as well. So you have a different choice. You can have these nice neon green lacing if you don't like the black. Stickers as well, Worldwide, and a couple of swooshes. To round it off, we'll look at the insole. So you've got a lot of prints with the cities. It's a nice touch. I'm not sure if, I think this was like meant for the Olympics or whatever, but I can't really tell. It is for the worldwide audience. That's stitched there to nicely complement the stitching at the back. So that rounds off our review. Can't wait to try these on, let you guys know how they feel on and what the fit is like, comfort wise. Can't wait to do this. Let's go. it comes to the fit, lengthwise, I think it was the right fit, so get your true to size Nike fit. The only problem that I find is that it's a bit tight on the sides, but hopefully I can just break into them. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.